This is the OGO trucker bag. It's a compartment bag. Love this bag. Compartmentalizes, and then I further compartmentalize. Of course, I would use compartment sacks for everything. I need to know what's in every bag going in there. So this one, you saw the backpack, mostly medications, emergency gear. Here, the things that you're going to see per pack is going to be like workout shorts, just regular t-shirts for running around, stuff like that. Yeah, mostly workout stuff, workout shirts here.
What's the difference between that and what you have on your backpack?
No difference at all. There's just a couple of these in there. Okay, that's that. This is the sock and accessory bag. Very, very simple. I don't care what length trip you're going on. People always give me this all the time. They say, like, how many, you go away for months, 6 months. How do you figure out what clothes to pack? Well, at a certain point in time, there's a diminishing return. And it doesn't matter whether if you're going for 2 weeks or 6 months or a year. So in this is my accessory bag. This is my things for my shoes, okay, that I've got to get. But here's what I do. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of socks. That's it. It's a 6-month trip. If it was a 2-week trip, I'd still have the same. This is the pack. This is it. Every trip never changes. It's in my computer. When I get up to pack, I don't have to go, oh my God, what am I packing? Oh my God. I look at the computer, I go to my accessory bag, put this in, I'm done. I also do carry these. These are arm covers. If you're out somewhere, in heavy sun, but don't feel like wearing long sleeve shirts, these come in very, very handy. Also carry, a baseball cap just to be in the groove. That is my sock and accessory kit. Same thing for every trip I've ever done in 30 years, right there. This right here is a computer wet sock, okay? Like when you get on site and you're traveling, you need something to keep your computer dry, okay? Especially if you're going to be doing some bike commuting, some hiking, some walking. I carry my computer everywhere, so I need this ready to go. That's compartment number 1. Let me bring you over to compartment number 2. I call this the, hey, I'm getting fancy pantsy. Now I'm going to tell you right now. This is just me. 90% of everything in these 2 bags, I'm never going to wear. I really don't. But I bring them just in case. So this right here is, and especially if I'm going to a hot destination, this right here, I do like to carry a pair of like tight pants, little gray pants. I got a pair of jeans in here, and that's it. Okay. If I need to go with long pants, which very rarely I do, especially I'm going to Latin America. This always goes in here too. You never know whether it's rain or, hey, there's a great kayaking trip. Let's go. I carry a wet phone case with me every place I go. It just stays right there. And then this pack right here, this is my dress up. This is my dress up shirts. A couple button up shirts, short sleeve. I throw in there. Like I said, depending on the stuff, you're not going to find me at the Columbia discos. Okay, so how much I wear this might be a nice dinner out with Sammy. Might be going to talk to a client. Might be going, if we're doing book tour, to the library to pass off that. That's compartment number 2. Compartment number 3, let's go up here. We're already locked in. Right here, very, very simple. Day pack. Okay. Once you get on ground, I guarantee you don't want to carry this around every day, going to the coffee shops to do work. So when you get online here now, you've got to bust down. I carry a small little day pack right in there, computer, etc. And this right,
Do you
right,
have anything inside there or is empty?
it's pretty empty right now. I mean, I keep some stuff in there, like I have some gum, but it's mostly empty in there because the most of my stuff. And we can do this later here. I do have a shoulder bag. It's my travel pack. Here is the main t-shirt bag. Here again, I'm the same guy. Every damn thing. I don't care. 6-month trip, 2-month trip. Here's what goes in here because here's how I am. 2 blue t-shirts, 4 black t-shirts. That's it. Now I may throw in if I have like a rock band t-shirt or something like that with something on it. It might go in here, but this is it, man. This is all you need. Okay? Black t-shirt, my God. And do you need 4? I don't know. But anyway, that's what it is. We've got a tripod here for social media posting and some great views. They got this is a really cool tripod, easy, light. Here's a hygiene kit. Everything I need. And this is a really nice hygiene kit, highly premium. Everything from toothpaste to my razor to face spray, face cream, etc. goes right in here. You know, when we're either camping or whatever, or if I get to a hotel, it's the first thing that comes out, goes in the bathroom, just unpack it real quick, goes right back out. Same thing every time. Nothing changes.
But what if the airline lost your suitcase?
Well, I showed you in this pack right here, we have an emergency little kit that'll get you through. Brush your teeth, some water, eye drops for your eyes, some shampoo for your hair.
Oh, you have a little bit of shampoo over there?
Yeah, right in here.
You have 2 bottles of shampoo.
No.
You don't have shampoo here?
Yes, I do.
You have then too.
Yeah, well, there's my travel one. It's this big.
Mm.
Gets me through 3 shampoos. This one right here is my solid Bertrell top-notch shampoo that I like to use.
Okay.
This is the accessory compartment right here. This is the electronics bag. You know, I overdo this. I totally overdo this normally. So what you're going to find in here is everything from some spare batteries when you're sitting in the airport and your mouse goes out and you've got an important email you got to send. Got extra batteries in there. Got a magnifying glass in there because the eyes are going a little bit. So when I have to read some labels or something like that. This right here is the best. This is the portable. The portable ROAH Treb Lab. We're an affiliate program with these guys. Great sound. Got a little charging cable for it, and some extra stuff there. In the bottom of the electronics gear, we've got some extra charging cables. I got an extra computer cable. You know, a quick small power block and some extra cables. Always need these. I also carry here's a USB block. I can fit in 4 USB pieces to this. Runs off a USB-C. And that is the electronics bag. Again, very organized. Same thing every trip. Right here. Just goes right back in the compartment. And this trip, you know, we're going down with the book in mind, taking some spare books. We want to drop these off to the libraries and stuff on the road, or friends or people that we meet down there that can spread the word about Outrunning the Light and TCopley Global and the great things that we do. And we're on the road every day of the year. And that's the kit.
Amazing. Are you gonna show us your shoulder bag?
Yeah, I'll show you shoulder bags too.